Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So I just want to do a quick update actually. So recently I developed an app which is called Spark Calendar. Spark Calendar is essentially it's a calendar app which allows any students from any universities to take a photo of their schedules. They have a list of schedules and turn it into a calendar or a timetable perhaps. So if you have a list of schedules, maybe it's from a university website, maybe it's in a different format than other schedules, then the app will try to recognize that and extract all the relevant information like your day and time, the lecturer names and the venues and so on. And once you do that, you actually get to see all the quick infos. So if you're going to class, you can see all the relevant information right at the home screen. So here's the example of the app. Actually, if there's no schedule, like today is Saturday, so there's really nothing that I can show you, but you can view all the calendars over here. And if you want to see the individual infos, you can actually, for example, let me show you one. Okay, machine learning, there you go, and you get to see the lecture names, the venue, the credit hours section, and all of this stuff. So currently it's available on iOS, and we recently developed a new feature which is the friends feature. So now you can actually add someone as your friend and see their calendars as well. So it's still, however, waiting for approval. Even the Android version of this app is still waiting for approval, and hopefully it'll be live within the next few days. I do notice, however, that there are some issues to resolve. So for example, the friends feature that I mentioned there, people would appreciate it if that friends feature would actually have a visibility configuration to it. Obviously you don't want to share your calendars or your timetable to everyone, so I believe this is quite a useful feature as well for example, if you're a program manager and you want to set a meeting with multiple people, so you want to see their schedules and where you can find a slot that lines up with the rest of the people's schedules. And also if you're, for example, if you want to go outing with your friends, you might want to see their schedules to see if your schedules line up. Another insight that I've got from my friends, from my users, is people generally want to use this to share with their partners. So that's something that's something good to hear. But yeah, another issue that I see is the fact that if you try to scan your schedules via photo or your gallery, it takes quite a long time for it to process. So usually, sometimes it takes like 20 seconds. I've experienced this. Sometimes it takes 20 seconds for it to for you to take a picture and then submit it to the server, and then it will generate everything. But sometimes it can take up to 2 minutes, which is weird for me. I don't know why. So that's something that we have to take a look into. So yeah, hopefully this app is useful for not just my university, IUM. It's also useful for any universities in Malaysia and out there. So yeah, you may install Spark Calendar. It's available on iOS currently, hopefully available on Android soon. Yeah, thank you. That's it. Thank you for watching.